Hello, everyone. Is anyone there? We have a very big day today for Trandition Manager Academy. The first group of students just presented the final projects, and we are very happy. I've got Mike Rawlings with me. Hello, Mike.
Hello. See how happy I am? Big smiles.
So I have a question for you. Just after the long day, we started very early in the morning, 9 o'clock, and we just finished. So how do you feel about this? How do you feel about this 1 year when we started the first comprehensive project management program, first in Poland, and we've got 1 year behind?
That's a very big question. Well, if you remember, it's actually been more than a year because it was, what, 2 years of thinking about doing this and planning and trying to get underway. So for you and I and some others, this has been 3 years in the making, but we put a year behind us. It's been a fantastic year. We've been, I'm not sure if we've been lucky or if that's how it is, but the participants, we couldn't have asked for a better set of first participants. Enthusiastic, knowledgeable, passionate about what they do. So as you know, I've done 3 or 4 of the sessions, and they've been real fun, real learning experiences, not just for them, but for me as well. And the feedback we've had has been really, really good. Everyone seems to have got something from it. I've certainly got something. I've learned a lot in doing this, and I can't wait for the second edition to start, which it will do shortly. So how am I feeling? Tired, happy, and I think today was a real affirmation that what we're doing is something that's both needed and valued by people out there. Come and find out for yourself. So
how would you recommend the next edition? Because the first edition is almost over and we are recruiting for the next one.
How would I recommend? Well, I would recommend it, but then I would say that, wouldn't I? I think I'd go back to what's happened today. So for those who don't know, today we've had everyone, bar 1 or 2, who's been on the course has come in and presented on their thesis. And it's been a day of sharing, laughter, knowledge, experience, passion. And I feel really quite pumped up to hear the things that we've been sharing coming back at us, and in many cases developed and enhanced, so that we're sitting here going, oh, that's really good, we'll do that next time. It's been a real affirmation that we're offering something that's needed and that people get something from it. And what I do know is, as a result of what we've done here, is the people that have gone through the course are going away and they will be teaching and sharing and influencing others. And so the word spreads. And those particular skills that are needed to help people through big change in the work environment are going to be out there.
Yeah, thank you very much, Mike.
It's been a pleasure. Thank you for asking me.
So let's invite people. You can still join the second edition. We are doing it together with Akademia Leona Koźmińskiego, Koźmińskiej University. There are still just a few, I think 3 or 4 seats left. So hurry up. You can actually sign up till Monday for these seats. So, and hopefully see you there. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.